I'm Aude BOLOPION. I'm also a CNRS researcher, and I'm working in the Femto-St Institute. And as part of the research institute, I'm taking part to several research projects. And one of them was a collaboration with EPFL that was first supported by SMILE, and then that it turned out to be a national joint project between Femto-St and EPFL and ANR between France and Switzerland. And in that kind of project, the one about Switzerland, but not only, we are developing some research and we get some research results, and we are making some prototypes. And usually at the end of our project, these prototypes are not used anymore. And even if they could have been of great help for a lot of people, since the research project is ending, we don't work on it anymore. So what I'm going to present you today is what we are doing in order to keep this research project and these prototypes active after the project. And this is the Center of Micro Nano Robotics, which is a technological platform of the Femto-St Institute. And its goal is to keep alive these prototypes so that everyone can get access to it and can get access to the possibility offered by the tools that we have developed during our research project. So I am specialized in microrobotics. So this center provides microrobotic solutions for the manipulation and characterization of objects in the range between, let's say, 5 to 500 micrometers or slightly more. And what we provide is the equipment that are based on our research project, on the activities of the Femto-St Institute. And we are working in close collaboration with Femto Engineering that help us to make these prototypes easier to use for anyone who are not specialized in the field. So you can visit our website if you want to get a full overview, but I'm going here to present just a very brief overview of it. So we provide characterization tool for the measurement of micronewton forces. So we have several stations that are dedicated to this kind of characterization. And they can be used, for example, in order to analyze the characteristic of plant fibers. So if you want to work on composites, for example, we can do some compression tests, some peeling tests. But we also provide a characterization tool for biological cells in order to characterize the mechanical properties of single cells, such as oocytes, for example. In terms of manipulation and assembly tools, we have, again, several stations on that. So you can see, for example, on the top left image, we are working under different conditions, such as vacuum environments. And on the top left image, you can see a scanning electron microscope that is very particular in the sense that we have placed a robot on it, and we can really use this microscope as a tool in order to either cut some material or to make assembly and solidarization using our injection system. We also have on the bottom left part some fluidic chips in order to analyze interactions of single cells. So these prototypes was first supported by this Swiss project. And now it's available in a station where you can use fluidic chips in order to analyze any kind of interaction between objects if you want to. We also design microrobotic solutions and medical robots on demand. So that's the top right image, where you can see a concentric tube robot that was first developed during research project in order to make medical inspection of ears or nose. And now we have been working in collaboration with industrials in order to perform inspections of industrial pieces in very confined spaces. So what you have to remember about the Center of Micro Nano Robotics is that we provide access to unique equipment that are not commercially available. And our goal is to provide access to these equipments to anyone who cannot find commercial solutions to their problem. So if you want to test something, or if you don't know how to handle objects of small size, I really advise you to come and we can discuss about your needs and we can see together what we can offer if one of our 10 stations can help you doing what you want to do. So we are looking for partners for research collaborations, but also for industries who are looking for some solutions that they cannot find anywhere else. I thank you for your attention.